Do you want to grow your Facebook friend list really fast, even if your account is completely new? I have got a powerful method that can help you get friend requests coming in fast. Now, before we jump in, remember one thing. People decide whether to accept or send you a request in just a few seconds. That's where your profile setup is super important. First, you top out your profile and check your profile picture. Make sure it looks clean, professional, and eye-catching. A strong profile picture instantly builds trust and make people more likely to connect with you. If you don't have one yet, upload it right away, and it's your first impression. Next, go to the Friends tab and start sending requests. If your account is new, let it save and clean between 5 to 100 requests at first. But if your account has been active for a month, you can send more without any problems. These steps helps Facebook recognize that you are actively engaging, and it also puts your profile in front of more people. Now comes the most exciting part. Go back to your profile, tap the three dots, and select Turn on Professional Mode. Once you do that, Facebook will guide you step by step. Click Turn On, then hit Next a couple of times. Whether you reach the default audience page, make sure it's set to public. After that, just click Next, then Confirm, Next, Next, and skip anything you don't need. And then go straight to your professional dashboard. And guess what? Now your account is optimized for maximum reach. Here's the trick most people don't realize. After setting this up, give it 1 or 2 hours. Then refresh your profile. You will notice more and more friend requests, even new followers coming in.